Okay, next questions. Find the sample mean and sample variance for a random sample of 36 boxes. So we already done part A. Okay, so next question is part B. So we know that the sample equals to mean samples equals to population mean equals to 5.3. Okay, how do we know that? It's assuming it's a normal distributions. Okay, so sample variance, variance of sample, which is sigma squared for sample, which is equals to sigma square of our population divided by n, and therefore which is you already know that 0.81 divided by this is essentially taking a square root of on the right for n equals to 36 to get the SD. SD equals to sigma 0.9 divided by 6. Sorry, I don't have to get the 6, and this is equals to 0.15 as our standard deviation of our sample. Okay, so now we can express the first of all, because it's assuming a normal distribution, the mean equals to 5.3, and the variance, this is mean, variance equals to, already calculated there, 0.81. For our sample is 0.15 square. 0.15 square, which is basically 0.0225, and the question is asking for what is the probability, find the sample mean and variance for a random sample of 36 boxes. So we already done that, the mean and the variance. Mean equals to 5.3. The variance of our sample equals to this one, 0.15 square. Variance, just write down here guys, variance is 0.15 square, which is equal to 0.0225. So that's part B. And part C, calculate the probability that if the average number of box in 36 container will be less than 5.5. So calculate the probability that random variable x less than 5.5. So again, we convert this into a z value, standardized value, z less than 5.5. The mean is 5.3. Standard deviation is square root of that, square root of variance, which is 0.15. So that should give you, asking for z less than 1.33, a positive 1.33. So because this is less than, so we can, if you look at, this is a mean mu, this is positive 1.33, positive 1.33, let's say somewhere there. It's asking for the z value of less than 1.33, meaning it's asking for this entire region here. covering the two halves basically. So this is equals to, okay, equals to asking for the probability of to get this the area of the shaded, okay, regions. Okay, we can use the 1 minus, okay, this probability equals to, okay, this probability equals to asking the probability of how do you say, just write down equals to 1 minus the probability of z, okay, greater than, so we can say here, okay, we can use that area greater than 1.33. So now we can look at in the table for 1.33. So 1.33 is 918, 0918, 1.3, and then 3 is there, 0.0918. 1 minus 0.918, 0.918. Okay, this is equals to 0.908. Okay, 90.8%. So that's the probability of your random variable to be less than 5.5. Okay, that is part C. Calculate the probability of average number of box in 36 container is less than 5.5, which is quite a lot. Okay, I mean 90% is quite big. 90%, 90.8, because the mean here is only, the mean is 5.3, so definitely less than 5.5. So therefore the probability is big, 90%. Okay, let me just pause here before we continue to the next one.